Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Gmail password. For that you need to go to mail.google.com, the official website of Gmail, and log in into your Gmail account. And once you log in into your Gmail account, you need to click on your Gmail's profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. And over here you need to click on the option called Manage your Google account. From inside Manage your Google account, click on where it says Security. From inside Security, scroll a bit down and you will see the option called Password. Click on Password. Once you click on Password, it'll ask you to enter your current password first to verify you're the owner of the account. Once you enter the current password of your Google account, click on Next. And if the password is correct, it's going to take you to the password changing page. And the password changing page is going to look just like this. Over here, you want to enter the new password of your account and enter it again to confirm it. And once you enter your new password, just click on Change Password and your password will be changed. So that is how you guys can change the password of your Google or your Gmail account. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.